Hi, welcome to my video on negative mixed number. A negative mixed number. Change a negative mixed number to a negative improper fraction. What I do, I take the 1 2/3 and I convert it to an improper fraction. So 1 times 3 plus 2 over 3. So that's 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. And because it's negative, then I make it a negative 5 over 3. You don't go negative 1 times 3 add on 2. That will give you negative 3 plus 2, and that will give you negative 1. And you would be wrong if you put it over 3. So what you do, you multiply the 1 by the 3 and add on the 2. And then you make a negative after. So 2 times 4 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4, and it's negative. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 4 is 19 over 5, and is negative. Pause your video and work these 8 out, and press play when you're finished to see if you're right. 14 plus 3 is 17 over 7, and is negative. 1 times 9 is 9, plus 4 is 13 over 9, but it's negative. 3 5s are 15, and plus 2 is 17 over 3, but it's negative. 3 6s are 18, plus 1 is 19 over 6, but it's negative. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 5 is 13 over 8, negative. 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 6 is 55 over 7, negative. 10 times 4 is 40, plus 3 is 43 over 4, but is negative. 4 5s is 20, plus 3 is 23 over 5, but is negative. Let's continue to the next page. So let's reverse it. Let's change a negative improper fraction to a negative mixed numeral. That means you have to divide 5 into 14 to get 2. And there's 4 left over, so it's 2 and 4/5, that is negative. 7 into 11 goes once, 4 left over, so it's 4/7, but it's negative. 2 divides into 9 4 times with 1 left over, so it's 1/2, negative. 3 into 17 goes 5, and there's 2 left over, because 3 5s is 15, and 2 makes 17, but it's negative. 6 into 23, 3 6s are 18 and 5. So it's 3 and 5/6 and 1 left over. 10 into 68 goes 6 times, and there's 8 left over, and it's negative. But if you think about it, 4/10 could become 4 over 5. Or sorry, 8/10 could become 4 over 5 if you want to reduce it. You pause the video, work out these 6 here, and then when you come done, play it back to see if you're right. 4 into 13 goes 3. That's a 12. 1 left over. So it's negative. 8 into 21. 2 8s are 16. And there's 5 left over. 5 into 34 goes 6. That makes it 30. So it's 4 left over. So it's 4/5. 11 into 29 goes 2. That's 22, 22, 29 is a 7 difference, so 7/11, and it's negative. 12 into 28 goes 2, that's a 24, 24 and 4 left over, but it's negative. But 4/12 is a negative 2, 4 into 4 goes once, 4 into 12 goes 3, because we always reduce fractions if we can. And 15 into 50 goes 3, that's 45. And 5 left over, 5 over 15, negative. But 5 over 15 reduces, so negative 3. 5 into 5 goes once, 5 into 15 goes 3. And we have how you changing the negative mixed number. You got to be careful. Remember, what do? The key to this is to remember that. Just to reiterate, you multiply 3 by 5 and add 2 and then make it negative. Don't forget that. Very important. When we're multiplying and dividing mixed numerals, we have to change them to improper fractions, so it's important. If you like the video, press the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, write a comment if you wish. And don't forget to visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. There you'll get information about me, my degrees and teaching experience, my videos. A section of videos will tell you how I'm going to get you to learn the math, some tricks and skills to use. And the content section has the topics and the number of videos on each of those topics that I have online. And what I have online is in black font, and what's in red font will be developed in the near future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.